can you see on the screen? The thing you could see is the Earth and the satellite orbiting it. So generally, the satellite is orbiting the Earth for some mission. Imagine if you're working for ISRO and ISRO launches the satellite which should orbit our planet. So for this mission, we have to first understand the basics about gravity and orbiting. The green arrow which you could see indicates gravity. Gravity pulls things down. Gravity also plays a main role for our planet, as without gravity it wouldn't be too good for us. We don't have moon, we would float, and we don't have oxygen, and there are more things which may lead to dangerous situation, and it could be the end of the life. Gravity is really important for us. Well, as you could see, when the satellite is orbiting the Earth, gravity is pulling the satellite. But what makes it to orbit the Earth? Of course, if gravity pulls things down, then the satellite should come down towards Earth. But what is it that makes it orbit? It's the velocity. So the velocity is like a calculation for speed which leads to one direction or any wave that object moves. So those are basically physics, and it's important to calculate the velocity before launching the aircraft, as we have to even find out how the object can orbit around the Earth, and without velocity this object would directly crash. So if the velocity is low, we have less velocity in this object, so here is what will happen. It slows down the velocity and it crashes. So velocity is incredibly important. So too much velocity may lead to a straight direction. So what if we don't have gravity? And here we go, we don't have gravity now, and it has literally slingshot the satellite. So the satellite cannot orbit without the gravity. So this is just an example of gravity and orbits. There are more examples for it, like the Earth and the Moon. So the gravity pulls the Moon. So the blue arrow again indicates the gravity. Velocity of the Moon is more fast, but it's because it depends with the distance of the gravity, distance of the Moon to Earth. So that's why the calculation is right. So as you can see, the Moon is orbiting the planet. Now, less velocity can lead to sudden change. Let me make the velocity a bit less. You could see some. We're going to. Okay? Yes. So a slight change to velocity can make a huge difference. And without gravity, we cannot. Gravity and velocity, we cannot even orbit any of planets around us. So gravity and velocity is very important. Now if gravity is not there, the Moon will just be floating off somewhere, just like asteroids. So there are a lot more things, like even the Sun and Earth. quickly on the gravity. Yes. So we have got gravity back, and as you could see, we have velocity is more now. Now if I make the velocity a bit less, pulls it. The gravity of the sun is pulling the earth, which leads to the end of our planet. And without gravity, earth will be floating around. Without sun, it will be going outer space. Not only earth, but other planets like Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, Saturn. So everything, every planet are orbiting the sun because of sun's gravitational force. So it's really important for us to have gravity and velocity for for making an object to orbit some object. So this is what we have, and this is how gravity gravity and velocity makes the object move and orbit the object, which is the sun and earth. We have earth and moon, and we have the satellite and earth. So this is the basic understanding about orbits. So I hope you guys understand about gravity and orbits, and we will be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.
To change your